Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Hello. So anyone give a message in chat box? Am I audible? Can I start the session? Yeah. Hi, Patan, Farooq Khan. Hi. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to Pantech Learning. Yeah. Okay. Once again, welcome to all. Vishwanathan, hello Vishwanath, welcome to the stream. So I hope everything is fine. So my voice and the screen, everything is clear. I hope. Is there any deviations is there? Kindly give a message in chat box. I will short it. Okay. So now I will continue. So welcome to the Pantech Learning. Myself Shankar Ganesh from Pantech Learning at project engineer at 2 years. Okay. So now today we are discussing about the artificial intelligence. Okay, so already we know about that. Okay, why? Because of in today's current world we will repeatedly use AI technology in our daily life. Okay, so anyone, can you share what do you know about artificial intelligence? So what was that exactly? So what do you know? You try to share whatever it is you know. You try to share in the chat box before entering the session. So we need some interactions, right? So that's why. Feel free to share. So whatever you know, you can share it. So that's help to me. Because of already we know about that, right? Because in our every life, day-to-day life, we will use. So you are a college students also there here. So definitely you know about that. Okay. Okay, no issue. So now I share. So artificial intelligence is the machine mimic like a human, that is artificial intelligence. Simply said, it's easy to understand for everyone, right? Because of the now human to human interaction is a normal thing in our current life, right? Not like current life, in our yeah, converting computers into human brain. Patan Farooq Khan. Yeah, is that also right answer? So not only computer, the machines said mimic, like do like a human, that is artificial intelligence, right? So the example, the Alexa, Siri, and also ChatGPT. So this kind of the tools is the best example for artificial intelligence, right? Example was for example, I have to know one kind of thing. So I want to know about one particular car details. So before 20 years, what will I do? So going to asking some knowing people or my friends or relatives, anywhere else, I have to go and ask about that thing. So now it's not needed because of some mobile phone is there. The mobile phone is having ChatGPT. There are lots of artificial intelligence technologies there. ChatGPT and Gemini, Grok, Cloud. What is that? GPT-4 model and is Meta. So multiple kind of AI technologies are there in this particular today's world. So now I directly go with the ChatGPT, ask something. So whatever I know, whatever I need, I'm going to ask about that. say the particular ChatGPT or AI models give it every details so provided to me. So that's why we will set the artificial intelligence is the most important thing in the current world. Okay, so yeah, wait a second. So in this particular artificial intelligence, without these two kind of machine learning and deep learning, we cannot create a particular final product, that is artificial intelligence. If we need that particular AI technology, so we need machine learning and deep learning. How we have to do any kind of process. For example, we have to cooking or any kind of things. Example, we have to take a cooking. Okay, we have to prepare one kind of dish. So we need some kind of ingredients as well as we need some process, the making process. So same like it here also, we need artificial intelligence is the final product we need. So the particular product we have to make with this kind of two technologies, that is deep learning and machine learning. Without this, we cannot make that in that particular final product. So that's why AI is, if we create a artificial intelligence, we need a machine learning and also deep learning. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, now it's clear, right? Yeah. So now the machine learning, artificial intelligence and deep learning, so both are we needed means the machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, the deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So just now I give an example for this, right? The artificial intelligence final product, final making dish. So we need a machine learning, the process is needed. Until that, we need a deep learning, the particular ingredients. Without ingredients, we cannot make. First, we need ingredients, that is deep learning. Next, we need a process, that is a machine learning. Finally, we had to prepare the dish, that is artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is the way we can handle the artificial intelligence and create the artificial intelligence technology. Okay, now. So next one, so what is AI? Exact meaning, just now I said, right? So the artificial intelligence is a method of making computer control the robot, a software think intelligent like that human mind. So the computers thinking like a human's mind, that is artificial intelligence. Okay. So next one, difference between the intelligent and non-intelligent. Okay, so just a minute. I have to change the internet. Okay, I hope everything is fine. Right. Okay, so AI is a branch of computer science that is concerned with the building smart and intelligent machine. Sorry. So that there is two kind of machines are there. One is a non-intelligent machine, another one is an intelligent machine. So what is the difference between the both means? So we have fixed one kind of process. The machine is working like a fixed process. So that means the watch and the bike is an example for this. Why? Because of the watch is fixed on kind of process. It's rotating the 12 hours only in a daily basis. So same like the bike also, so without human action they can't drive. The bike cannot drive, right? So same process. If we controlling the bike without human, it is not possible. The watch also, so fixed process is there. Apart from that, we cannot, the particular watch is cannot rotating in opposite side or 2 seconds on hold. It's not possible. Okay, so that's why we said cannot think, cannot make a decision, and cannot do new things. These are all things. It is a non-intelligent machine. The intelligent machine is the can think, can make decision, and can do new things. So, by the example for Tesla and Alexa, like that voice assistant. Okay, so can think means they have to think in self. Selfie is the thinking the one particular process. Next is take a decision. Finally, is do new things. For an example, one Tesla car have to ride on the road. Okay. Suddenly, any another car or any people to interacting with that particular car, the car have to take an immediate decision. That is, first the car has to think. So, what will we do now? That particular situation. Next is make a decision. So, can make decision. So, now we have to apply the brake. That is a decision. finally that do that particular thing. So it can do new things, means that new things, it is a decision factor. Okay, first is think what we will do, then make a decision, we have to finish the particular do this particular thing, finally it has to be. Okay, so this is the way the different, we have to difference between the non-intelligent and intelligent machine. Okay. So next one, types of artificial intelligence. So there are 3 to 4 kind of types is there. First one is a purely reactive, second one is a limited memory, third one is a theory of mind, fourth one is a self-aware. There is 4 kind of artificial intelligence technology like types is there. So first one is a purely reactive. So that is example for games, online games or any kind of games. Why we can take an example for this means, the purely reactive is full and full based on the opponent reaction. We have to, the particular thing has to play. Okay. Example, we have to take a chess board. So everyone we plays the chess, right? The chess means we have to play with the computer as well as we have to play with that human. Okay. So the machines do not have any memory or data to work with the specializing in just one field of work. That is purely reactive. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so now I have to play any kind of game, chess game or carom or any shooting games or whatever it is. I have to play with that human as well as computer. So the computers is our major concept in the purely reactive. So a particular computer plays with me means, so they plays based on my moves. Okay, so I have to my target is to pocket the particular king in that opponent player. Same like as the computer also based on my moves they have to play. That is purely reactive. Okay. The limited memory is related to the machines collect the previous data and continue adding it to their memory. So as example for the Swiggy, Zomato. So already we know about the Swiggy, the food editing, food order applications. So we, today I have to order one kind of food. So whatever it is, biryani or anything. So today I have to order and I get and I eat, as like I have completed the process today. So next day the particular applications to provide me to some kind of suggestions like recommendations based on my previous search. So yesterday I have to choose a particular restaurant. Okay, any kind of thing. So like a burger, so whatever it is. So I choose a particular restaurant, I choose particular food product and order and get it and eat it. So that is yesterday's process. Today from the restaurant, I get it from the details, some kind of offers or any new food, anything. So I get it from this particular restaurant based on like with via the particular applications, the Zomato or Swiggy or whatever it is, based on the application base. So here, once I have to search, the data has to be stored in the memory. Next time they have to give some kind of suggestions. Okay, so this kind of way the limited memory has to be in work. Next one. So next one is a theory of mind. So the theory of mind is based to working like a human's emotions. So now everyone we know about that Snapchat, right? Snapchat is one of the social media application. We have to take a picture as well as chat with our friends like that. So in the particular Snapchat is having some kind of filters. So like starting from the funny filters and the beauty filters, same like some quote filters. So multiple filters are there. So everyone is working based on our human's face emotions also. The beauty and funny filters is based on to working with our face emotion. So do you know the doggy style? What is that? Doggy style emoji. So that is once we have to open our mouth, the tongue to came out from that, right? So you know already. So the college students definitely we will use, not only college students. So everyone we have to using the Snapchat, right? So the fully is working on a theory of mind based on human emotion. The filter has to be applied to our face. That is theory of mind. One of the AI technology. Next one is self-aware. Self-aware is not a current generation, it's a future generation. Why? Because of the self-aware means the machine, it is not like mimic like a human only. It also look like a human, that is self-aware. or future generations. That is called as a robots. Okay. So already we know, like we have to watch multiple movies. So in starting from the Hollywood, Collywood, in every industries they have to take some kind of movies like robot movies, right? So the self-aware machines are the future generation of this new technologies. They will be intelligent, sentient, and conscious. That is a self-aware. So these are all the 4 kind of types in artificial intelligence technology. First one is a purely reactive, based on our human moves. The particular A has to be in work. And the second one is a limited memory. The limited memory is full and full based on the our past data. Past data wise, they have to give us suggestions or recommendations. Third one is a theory of mind, that is full and full based on humans' emotion. And fourth one is a self-aware, that has to be work like a what is that? Human intelligence, like look like a human also. Okay, sentiment, intelligent, everything is like a human. That is self-aware. Okay, these are all the 4 types. Is the artificial intelligence types. So next one is how does AI has to be in work. First, the AI has to be works like a without data we can't do anything, right? In technology, computer side, we have to enter. Without data we can't do anything. So here also same like it. Without data I can't share my knowledge and share my screen, and I cannot convey to my everything is not shared with you. Same like us, you also not contact. You cannot contact with me also in chat box. So multiple people is give us chats. So like that. So data is important for everywhere. Okay. So first we need a data based on our model creation. Next we have to pre-processing the data. Then we have to create a model. So it's same like us in ChatGPT, like that models. So ChatGPT is for everyone, like not everyone, everything. So in ChatGPT, whatever it is we ask, they give an answer. Okay. So apart from that, I need a one particular domain I have to choose. So I choose a car domain, means I have to individually make that particular car AI. So particular AI is full and full having the particular what is that? Car details. So old model to latest trend model, every car details the particular AI has to have. So I have to choose a unique thing of the AI. So I need a same thing. First thing I need a car data only. Okay. First I collect the car data. Second process I have to collect the pre-processor. So any other data, unwanted data are present or not. Apart from car data, any additional vehicles data are there or not. This kind of thing have to analyze. That is data pre-processing in second process. Third one, I have to create a model, like create and train my model, like car AI I have to say, right? That model I have to create and train it. Next I have to check, like evaluate the model. That is the process, a testing process. So I'm asking about one kind of car. For example, Audi car I have to ask. So give me an latest trend in Audi brand. I have to set. The car A have to give it the details. So this is the best model in latest trend. So it is the price is that this kind of CC and this kind of kilometer fuel mileage. This kind of things. The particular A has to be provided the details to me. Okay, this is the way the A has to be in work. Okay. Next one, way of implementing of artificial intelligence. There is two kind of thing already in starting first stage, like first slide I have to explain this. Without this kind of two things we cannot create a artificial intelligence, right? So the machine learning is the machine learning that gives AI the ability to learn. This is done by using algorithms to discover pattern and generate the insights from the data. This is the first thing. This is a process to analyze the pattern of the data and analyzing the process. That is the machine learning work. Second one is a deep learning. The deep learning is which subcategory of machine learning provides AI with the ability to mimic a human brain's neural network, and it can make sense of the patterns, noise and sources of confusion in the data. Simply said about the deep learning means it is handling the data. Okay. So the data is fit for us or not. So this is the particular type of data. It's a text one, it's a audio one, it's a video one. This kind of process, deep learning will handle the data first thing. Then is provided the data into the machine learning for the process or training or creating process. It's forward the data into the machine learning process. The machine learning has to be create the model. Finally, we can get one kind of AI technology. Okay, this is the way the AI has to be implemented. So next one, components of AI. So what are the components are there? So already we know machine learning and deep learning. So AI is a final product. In the center of the AI is a final product. So we know about that machine learning and deep learning. Okay. So deep learning is handling the data. Machine learning has to be process the data. Apart from these two, it is based on the model wise. It has to be differ. Okay. The NLP is present in the every places. The NLP means there is a natural language processing. It has to be understanding the human language to system language. Okay, so in human language also all over world around 720 plus languages are there, right? I think approximately I said around 720 plus languages there in this particular world. So here also we have some kind of facing some barriers. So I know about the English and Tamil. So apart from these two language, I can't contact with any kind of peoples. If you peoples also you speak with an English or Tamil, I understand. Same like that, I am also English is a common language. So everyone we know about the English is a common language. Other than that, our native language is there. Apart from that, we need a additional language. Okay. So now if anyone talk about Telugu to me, I can't understand. If I can, I will speak with that Malayalam or any Hindi means some people cannot understand. Because of one person is having the one or two languages commonly know about them. One is a native language, another one is a common language, that is English. Okay. So inside humans we need some kind of barriers, right? Same like system has a different one. So everyone know about that. I think computers can only understand the numbers 0 or 1s only the system can understand. So here we have to provide our data to my system. We are provided into the text wise, right? So here some people will say hi, hello, or give a response for my question. So this kind of things. Everyone share it to your information in a text wise. First, your system has to be understand your input. Once you give a text wise, but computer can see in that particular data is a numbers. So 0 or 1s values only the computer can learn. Understand. In case the computer directly deliver to the data into number form, we cannot understand. We give a hi, the computer has provided to me in number weight like 0.7 or 0.1 wise, I can understand. So what kind of word you said? So we need to avoid this kind of barriers. We have to using the NLP process to understand the human language into system understandable, system language into the human understandable. That is natural language processing. Okay. And next one, computer vision. The computer vision is that computer can see the real world. That is computer vision. How the humans we have our eyes to see the every world, real world. Same like us, computer have a camera. So now you have to see me. See mine means I using the camera has to be capture my appearance to deliver to you. Okay, so this kind of way we will communicate with this kind of platform. Okay, now. So in this everything is included in artificial intelligence technology based on the types wise, model wise. Okay, and next one, what are all the projects are available in this particular AI technology? So weight prediction based on height and gender, and fake news reduction using NLP, and language translator using same like a NLP concept, and image classification using CNN like deep learning models, and live disease detection using deep learning, and traffic sign detection using OpenCV, fingerprints also OpenCV, face detection also using OpenCV concept, and age and gender detection. So based on the human's face features wise, we can understand the particular age and gender approximately, and face emotion recognition, that is what kind of emotion we have to deliver. So now I have to see in a normal way, I have to give it my face. A smiley face, the computer can understand what kind of mood based on the human's face features, and QR code recognition, and cartoonify image with OpenCV. So it is latest recently trend, like that is Ghibli art. So everyone we know about the Ghibli, right? So this is the way the AI technology has to be implemented. These are all the 12 projects we can make in a AI technology. Okay. So next one, AI use in our daily life. In our daily life, how the AI has been integrated. First one is social media. Every social medias, we know about that, right? Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook, Snapchat, Spotify, YouTube. Everything is a social media. So now in Instagram, so everyone has to be think. So once you talk about any kind of one particular product, a particular individual thing, so same concept has to be comes to your feed, Instagram feed. So everyone can feel this experience. Definitely you can make an experience in this one because of based on our talking search history, or else our based on our search history or our talking concept. So like this way the system has to be give a post recommendation. So today I have to watch with the EV design. This kind of EV model I have to search and view in my Instagram. So in that particular data has to be stored in a database. In next day or today evening also, they have to give you some kind of suggestions based on the same field. EV related fields are repeatedly comes to share at my social media, every social medias, based on my previous search. Okay, so everything has to be work. Is an example of limited memory. The social media, everything is example of limited memory. Based on previous database, the memory has to be stored. In next time, they have to give us some kind of recommendation and suggestions. Okay, so Instagram is one of the example of our daily life, and Google Maps also same like that. So it's the best example. So today we have to go anywhere. Please. Sorry, anywhere means we have to take a Google map and search the particular location, destination. We have to choose our nearest any tourist place also we can find in that particular Google map. So I have typed the nearest mall. So what is the nearest mall in my location? They have to give us some kind of suggestion. So nearest mall. Okay, this is the way that every AI has to be work. Like this, everything is a AI integrated application. Okay. And next one is a YouTube. So YouTube also same like as Instagram wise. So which one you have to see? First, the particular channel or particular ID, the feed has to be come based on your view history. Okay. So next one is a Snapchat. So just now I said Snapchat is the best example for everything. So AI as well as computer vision. So here we have to chat with that particular people, our friends and every peoples. So today I have to go with my brother's account. I have to give a hello. Okay. The hello means I have to send it like a text wise also. Otherwise I have to give it into the chat. Emoji wise. My avatar is going to say hi into my brother's avatar. Okay, once I click the hello and go with that my avatar option, they have some kind of a different conversation. I get like good. So you people also, everyone has to try this. So next one, Spotify is also one of the example of everyone we have to use this. So based on the particular song lyrics or music director wise, we have to find out the one music, or we have to choose the playlist or everywhere, like everything we have to find out. Next one is AI in everywhere, starting from cyber security, document verification, and social media, healthcare, education, cinema industry, production industry, agriculture industry, robotics, and what was that? Space research and transportation, shopping. In everywhere, the AI has to be implemented. So the cinema industry is very booming because of not existing people we can create. So some kind of Hollywood, we have to create some kind of people. Okay, I will give this in a final slide. So now I have to showing the one particular example for AI technology. Okay, so on basic personal assistant I have to show. Still we will discuss about the what is AI and how it is work, this kind of way, right? So now I have to share on particular person, introduce my personal assistant to you. So do it some kind of things, basic things. So I have to open any social medias and I will hear to song, some kind of songs. Everything I have to do, not in physical mode, just the command wise I have to set my assistant. My assistant has to be do for me. Okay. So now I will open this. Okay. Okay, the first one. Okay. So now I have to open this. Okay, so everything is how it is work means. First I run this code means it has to be open. First it's greetings to me. So first based on the time wise. So today now time is at 12:35. So based on time wise they have to give a greeting, so like good morning or good afternoon or good evening, like this way. Next they introduce himself. So what is the name and how he's asking to me what can I help for you. So this kind of way the first is greetings. After that I have to create a conversation between my assistant. Okay. So once I run this first.
Good afternoon, myself Jarvis sir. Please tell me how can I help you today?
Okay, first good afternoon based on time wise. Next it is and his name is Jarvis. Please tell me how can I help you. So like this way he give greetings, the first dialogue. Next they have to hear in the listening. When the listen is came means now only I have to set my command. Okay, so what is the need, what I need I have to set. So based on my query wise they have to recognizing the query, finally do that thing. Still I will speak with you, right? So that's why the my assistant has to be listen my every words and use the set and or the reflect to my words. So everything you can see. Now only I have to see my command like that. Everything my words. So when I give a proper query means that's why it implement the particular action. Okay. So now I starting from that social medias. Okay. First thing, open YouTube. Okay. Now you can see. Now I not do anything. Okay. I'm inaudible. Sorry guys. Some network issue, so that's why. So my screen is visible or not? No, live is not stop. Some network issues, so that's why. Sorry for that. Okay, fine. So I think the live is still streaming. Yeah, okay. Okay, now I continue. So before interruption, we will see step by step the.
Good afternoon, myself Jarvis sir. Please tell me how can I help you today?
Okay, so last time I said YouTube, right? So open YouTube. So now once again I have to say. So just a minute. Now you can see. So now automatic. Now I not said anything. Okay, here the YouTube has to be open. So again I said to the next one, that is another application. I mean, what was that? Social media, that is Instagram. So can you wait? Open Instagram. Guys, wait. No need to share your attendance. So we will share a link. So no need to post that your name in a chat box. So now you can see the. Yeah, now we can see the social media has been Instagram has been open, but it's not going to the login page. Just home page only I have to open. So it is the basic one I already said, right? So next I go to open stack. Guys, again I said, so no need to share your attendance in chat box. We will share a link in your WhatsApp group. You can share your attendance in a link. So no needed. Okay, so now I going to the next one, that is open Stack Overflow. Okay, here so every application have to say my command wise. Automatically it has to be open in a website. Open the website here. So this everything is a web browser wise. So online wise this has to be work. Other than that, I have to set local files. So music and then photos and videos. Everything available in a local file. So that also I have possible to open. So now again I start with that music. So start with the music. So I said, okay, just a minute. Once the listening will be came, then only I have to set. I think little bit the internet has to be slow, so that's why. Yeah, play music.
Ready, mame.
Okay. Okay. So this is the way the asset has to be work. So in next class we will discuss briefly about this. So I hope starting today we only see the introduction about the AI and how it is work. On example also we will see. I hope you all understand. So next class, once again I have to share and explain this code and how it is work. Next you have to go with that another additional project also. So tomorrow same timing 12 to 1. Tomorrow we will meet that. So thank you so much, thank you all. We'll meet with the next tomorrow session and see you. So if you have any doubt to tomorrow you can ask, okay? So don't worry about that. So thank you all.